vehicle that me and my dad built. It has room for 2 Lego droids, a toy Anakin, and a toy R2-D2. Okay, I'll show you the details. Okay, this thing here, this little laser beam thing, moves because it's connected to a Lego with something that makes it move. And in this treasure chest right here, there's this stuff.
Cool.
And there's a little spider right here.
Yeah.
And there's TV in the front. See?
Yep, with an AT-AT on it.
And a camera.
What does R2 think about this? You like this vehicle, R2?
I don't know if he's gonna say the right thing.
Well, thank you for showing me your new vehicle, Hudson.
He said all he likes is being in the video.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye.